Zam's Funding. Today we are going to unbox this blood glucose monitoring system. This is the monitoring system.
This is the test.
Yes. And this is the lancet. Now let's open this. We have a manual here and this is the monitoring system and this is the lancing device and here are some lancets.
Let's open and see. There is a manual. And let's open it. Let's open it. The inside is stuffed strips.
Now let's open the lancet. These are the lancets in here. Inside we can see there are needles. This is used for measuring the blood glucose. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.
And also share.